I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. And this one I am extremely excited about. I'm here at Gessi with Carolina. I love this company so much. I met you guys a couple of years ago when I came to Salone, and I think you guys are amazing. Your products are amazing. And the backstory of this company is amazing. I can't say better things about it. So let's talk a little bit about the products that you have here. We're going to highlight one in particular. So give us a little bit of information about what we're looking at here.
All right, so I hope all of you already know through Nadine about who Gessi is, what we do. And we are in the private wellness world because actually your bedroom is the only private room where you can take care of yourself without anyone knocking at the door.
Right.
So where we are at right now is a particular collection that is called Pelle, which in Italian means letter. What is incredible about Pelle is that you think you are staring at leather faucets, which you will think, wow, no, you cannot mix leather with water because it will damage. Yes, it looks like the leather, it feels like leather, but it's metal. What we're launching here is not only the finish and the design, but also the total look, because it is very important. A lot of interior designers and general contractors make an effort, and it is very important to have like a total look with the accessories, right?
Right. And that was the one thing I noticed too, that there was an addition of the towel bars and the robe hooks, and it just brings the whole look together. And I saw this and I'm like, this is something I've never seen before. And of course, as a builder and a contractor, I see a lot of different types of fixtures. And one thing that I love about your company is that it's always something you've never seen before. It's something new, something unexpected.
Yeah.
One of my favorites is the bamboo.
Yeah. Jacqueline.
Yes, I love it so much.
Yeah.
So I think this is great for people to, give something, like add something unexpected to a place that they really wouldn't think about doing, like in a bathroom. They think about, oh, I want a pretty fixture, but I don't think it's really a focus for a lot of people. I think their focus is always like on the tiles and those sort of things. So adding such a beautiful finish such as this is amazing in it.
Yeah, it's like putting an accessorize that will be there forever, because not something that you will be changing as you do with the towels.
Yeah, there's longevity in the quality of your products too, which we love.
100%.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for showing us another amazing product. Stay tuned for the next episode.